model, 61-plate Mercedes-benz Vito 113 Cdi Dualiner crew cab MOTED no VAT bargain. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 213033. MOT, the 2nd of October 2025. Engine, 2143 cc 651 136 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash, starts and drives brilliantly, ready to get in and go anywhere, no VAT, absolute bargain. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it.